Hello everyone, I'm Dr. K.V.N.Rajesh. Today I'm here to let you all know about how to achieve this quantum computing certification. We are all aware of achieving various certifications, but this is a very new field and I can say it is an emerging field. For this, you need some training. As we can see that so many universities are starting quantum computing BTech course, and also MTech course is as well planned for the forthcoming batches. So in this context, thinking about the next coming 10 years, I wanted to make this video available for all of you. Whatever the important links are needed for cracking the examination, I'll be sharing in the comment box. Only thing here in this video, I'll be sharing you certain details about the quantum computing journey. First of all, without knowing about the basics of quantum computing and the other aspects related to the learning plan, never go for a certification. So I suggest you all to first go through all the basics of quantum computing, starting from scratch. You either read it from a textbook or go through certain online material. Even those kind of links also I'll be sharing in the comment box. So after you brush up with all these quantum computing basics and the related knowledge, it will always take time. So we have to be very patient. It's not that today I have started preparing quantum computing basics. Tomorrow I have to achieve the certification. That will never happen in any of the courses we take. So my first pointer is try to learn the basics of quantum computing, as it is a field related to physics and mathematics. You should be very much convenient in these aspects. The second aspect which I wanted to tell you all is know what are the various certification paths available in this field, because this is a newly emerging field. We are completely blank in this aspect. We have to do a lot of literature survey and find out the available certifications in this particular quantum computing field. So as you have already known that in first step, you acquired all the basics of quantum computing, and now you are going through the survey for the various certifications available in the field of quantum computing. Even I will try to share those links, possible links in the comment section. So after the second point is covered, the third point is that among all the certifications available, which will suit your learning. So I will today talk about IBM certifications. So when it comes to IBM certifications, there is one site which I will be sharing you in the comment section called the quantum.cloud.ibm.com. So here you have to register. You have to create your account, which will take certain time. So please create your account in the link which I have told to you. And after you create an account, you will get the learning section, quantum learning section, where you will get various certifications like basics of quantum information, fundamentals of quantum algorithms, general formulation of quantum information, foundations of quantum error correction, quantum computing in practice, quantum machine learning, variation algorithm design, quantum chemistry with VKUE, quantum diagonalization algorithms, utility scale computing, quantum business foundations, practical introduction to quantum safe cryptography. So I have told several certification names which are available, which you can also see after registering and opening the site. Because I am a PhD in the area of artificial intelligence, I have taken the first path as quantum machine learning because I am very much convenient with that particular path. I have done already the brush up part, which I told you in point 1. I did the survey part, and I have found the IBM certifications as one of the most convenient certification path for my journey. It can be different for you. So for me, it is adaptable. And the most convenient thing is they are not charging any money for the certification exam as of now. That is what I have experienced when clearing my first examination, that is quantum machine learning certification. So, and the other important thing is, I'm telling you all the important things. By watching this video, you will get to know all the important things. The other important thing is that there is no expiry for this certification. It is a lifelong certification. Generally, for other certifications, you are aware that you have to write renewal exams, maybe after 1 year or 3 years, maybe after 5 years. But here in this examination, there is no renewal exam kind of thing as of now. So you go through the entire list of certifications available, which I already told to you, and then find out the best one which suits your learning path. Say, for example, you are doing, for example, BTech Artificial Intelligence or MTech Artificial Intelligence. Then you may choose like quantum machine learning, as I have chosen, because I have done my PhD in the area of artificial intelligence. Say, for example, you are completely physics-oriented person. You are doing MSc Physics and you want to enter into quantum computing. Then you will choose another name of the certification, which I already told you. So in this way, choosing the valid certification is always good for you. So then, coming to the fourth pointer, which I want to tell you is that you have to study the entire material for the certification available. For example, I have studied entire quantum machine learning certification related details in the IBM site, which I mentioned, which I am going to give you in the comment box from beginning to ending. So every achievement takes certain time. Even though I know about machine learning concepts, I have gone through the entire material from beginning to ending, and I have practiced certain labs in the environment provided by IBM. So after that only I will be able to go through the exam. Otherwise, every attempt will not lead to success, and it will waste our valuable time. For every exam, it will obviously take a lot of time, and the time which we spend for the examination may not give us success if we are not doing all the steps which I have told from step 1 to step 3. So in step 4, what I am trying to tell you is go through the entire content available in your IBM site, and then in the 5th step, what you have to do is you try to survey certain questions available in the internet. IBM questions are not, as of now, IBM quantum computing questions are not available in any location, and they will not be replicated in your examination. That happens with any prestigious certification, as you know. Directly, you don't get anything. But doing some practice questions will definitely help you a lot. So this is also going to get you lots of knowledge. And after that, you try to maintain a complete notes of what you are trying to do. It will really help you in the near future, because For example, let us say you completed quantum machine learning. It is not a end of your journey. You may plan for some other certification which is also related to quantum computing. So what I'm trying to tell here is that never leave your preparation just like that. You put it on some notes or you type some material. Maintain it in your computer system or as a separate notes. Later on, whatever the efforts you have put will be very useful for the next certification in your certification journey. So this is my advice as a fifth pointer. Sixth pointer is, after you do all the practice questions, you will come to an idea like what will be the exam nature, how it will be, and what will be the consequence once I give the examination. So it is your own knowledge you acquired. You try to register in some Slack communities, groups, quantum computing awareness groups, because it is an emerging field. You don't get much of information just like that. For artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and other areas, as of now, you are getting lots of material wherever you go through. But here, this is a new journey you are going to start. And just now, people are talking about quantum computing. So the thing is that you will not get hands-on material just like that. Even for me, I'm just every day trying to give you all. If you have followed me in the LinkedIn page, I will share my LinkedIn URL in the comment section. Every day you please see, I'm posting all the quantum computing related information in the easiest manner. So such kind of people, you please connect with me. You can connect people like me who are doing quantum computing related task, maybe posting or maybe writing blogs or maybe doing certifications, sharing their experiences. So you try to connect with such people or try to register with such communities or Slack or maybe forums. Then you will get latest information, valuable information, and also the job opportunities, because finally whatever you are doing should connect to your job, otherwise there is no use. So what my suggestion is that as a next step, you join certain communities, connect with people, try to acquire knowledge. In the previous steps, what you have done, you try to maintain your own knowledge as a record. Now you gather the knowledge from other people. Might be, for example, you have the GL to clear quantum machine learning certification. You can connect with me and ask me how my journey was. Or else from other people also, you can collect the information and go through the guidelines given by them. Because the community help, which comes from the various people working in this field, is very, very valuable. And the next aspect you have to do before going for the examination, I'm telling you, because just like that, going for examination is not going to give the result. So as you know, practice makes man perfect. You have to put lots of effort in this emerging area. The other important thing is you try to make a kind of survey in the social media platforms like LinkedIn or some other educational sites, like whoever have cleared the certification in the path you have chosen, right? And for them, it will be a very clear-cut, valid information available with them. You try to make sure that you definitely connect with those people. This is a step which already I told in the previous step, but that was related to broader thing, community kind of engagement. But here you are very specific, connecting with the people who are already there with that certification which you have chosen. So my advice is connect with them, gather the information, and get ready for the examination. So finally, you have done all the exercise. If possible, try to give some practice exams. Maybe you may get it from Google, some practice examinations. And the other important thing is, as of now, Chat GPT, DeepSeek, and the other, platforms available, the LLM models that are available are not fully trained on quantum computing. So you cannot expect every kind of information from quantum computing. Only basic information they will give. I already tested it. From my own experience, I am telling you, it is not going to give you the complete information as it is giving for artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, and other fields. So my advice is, you try to go through the Google. If possible, you try to do some practice examinations before you finally put the date of examination. And once you finalize the date of examination, you be clear on the date of examination. That means, is it Sunday or Saturday? Whenever you want to write the examination, you should be fully available on that day and your mind should be totally clear. This will be adaptable to any kind of examination, not only for this examination. So you try to plot the exam date on the day which you are completely feeling that I am able to write the exam with complete dedication. It's not that you have to prepare till the last minute. Okay, you keep your mind relaxed before the exam time and then give the examination. Definitely, whatever the steps I have told will work, and all the links which I am sharing you in the YouTube comment box will work. Here comes the other important thing. Why to learn quantum computing? What is the use of it? It is emerging. I don't have quantum computing quantum computing computer system with me to practice. So hardly get any quantum computer in and around. What is the use of it? My dear students and professionals, whoever is willing to do related to quantum computing, it's not like that. You are already seeing my quantum newsletter and you are also following certain newsletters. You are reading the newspaper. The government is already planning quantum valleys, quantum universities, quantum educational institutions. So a lot of initiatives are already being taken in this area. So what I suggest is, in the coming 10 years, and if you see my podcast also, I have done interview with many experts in this field till now, and I'm planning for much more. They also told that in the coming 10 years, there is a lot of requirement for workforce related to this particular emerging area. So my suggestion is, don't think that as of now, the boom is for artificial intelligence and machine learning and I have to learn this only. It's not like that. You definitely learn them. You try to merge that knowledge with quantum computing. That also will work. Or else you isolatedly learn quantum computing. That also will work. Because the initiatives are taken in such a way that in the future 10 years, definitely there will be a lot of workforce requirement for this aspect. And there are many job notifications as of now related to quantum computing. So my suggestion is, if you have a plan of action in your mind and you follow all the steps which I have mentioned to you, definitely it will be very useful for you to crack the examination. And definitely your first certification matters a lot for you. And when it comes to the second certification, third certification, whatever the pointers you have learned from your first certification will definitely act as an input for you. So there you need not have a reference like this video. You can do it. So please register with IBM site, which I am once again telling you, quantum.cloud.ibm.com. See the learning center in that site and register for one particular course which you are convenient with and start learning from that learning part. Then only you fix the examination. Then definitely your dream of achieving quantum computing certification will be absolutely achievable. So I wish you all the best for your quantum computing journey. And here I wanted to tell you, if you have any doubts in this particular aspect, you can connect to me in LinkedIn and you can see my LinkedIn posts. They are all related to quantum computing only. Whenever you have time, you can go through all the posts which I am doing since last so many days, learn from the basics, achieve your goal. Wish you all the best. Thank you.